In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in Meta Ads Manager. Whether you're new to managing ads on Facebook or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to your Ads Manager. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Meta Ads Manager website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that displays all your campaigns. This is your central hub for managing ads. Next, look for the Billing and Payment section. It's usually located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage all things related to your ad expenses. This is crucial because keeping track of your billing ensures that your campaigns run smoothly without unexpected interruptions due to payment issues. Once you're in the Billing and Payments area, the next step is to click on Payment Activity. This section provides a detailed overview of your financial transactions related to your ad account. Here you can see past payments, upcoming charges, and even disputes if there are any. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this section so you can monitor your spending and make adjustments as needed. Now it's time to set up your account for adding funds. If it's your first time doing this, or if you haven't set up a payment method yet, you'll need to add a payment method before you can add funds. This could be a credit card, PayPal, or another acceptable method that Meta supports. After you have successfully added a payment method, you'll notice that an Add Fund button becomes visible. This button is your gateway to topping up your ad account, allowing you to prepay for your campaigns or settle outstanding balances. Sometimes, new users might not see the Add Fund button immediately. If that happens, double-check to ensure your payment method is correctly set up and verified. It might take a moment for the system to update and show the button. Patience is key here. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of adding money to your Meta Ads Manager. Remember to keep an eye on your budget and regularly check your payment activity to ensure everything is running smoothly. By managing your funds effectively, you can focus more on creating engaging ads and less on worrying about billing issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your ad campaigns effectively.